Fáilte howtogael. This is a podcast brought to you by Fáilte Ireland.
Louise, Thought and Sarah, well and truly ling ag a buinte seo, and I'm dying to get away gotí áit éigin in éireann.
Doireann, I'm right there with you. I actually keep coming back to that feeling of, taking a short break and just tugging sus.
Oh my God, I know much in go bhfuil tú sair, the shoulders drop, you take in that big deep breath and you just think, Carcalor, I'm a sairnish.
Shinna Rod, do you know what it is for me? It's like the moment you arrive wherever you're going, you drop the bags, you take that initial little wander around and you're like, oh, it's on faoi shin. I've landed. I'm on a sus.
John, I'm feeling it straight away. I'm a little bit earlier than you. As soon as I hit the road, I'm blaring the Ceolar radio to the Fanoga, Hisagum. I'm heading west Bader, toward Aig, Earn Wild Atlantic Way. The sea, the cliffs, the swims. If you're feeling brave, it just wakes you up.
Well, ein team latex to is good hain gur bralum ear hinatira. I love it. But on Sarah Shaw, I'm kind of feeling something more, I don't know, they can suv nach Lord Natira. I'm thinking the hidden heartlands. Nice little spa break, waking up, cushow and agdolig or coffee, agus for they can quiche the das machine.
Well, that's the thing, isn't it? In Ireland, you get to choose your own pace. One day you can go full adventure. The next day you can slow it all down. Níl an deferert.
Exactly, dear. In Shinna Rod, there's no delays in the airport. There's no long travel days. Tá sé dasty and blee. You just go and you can enjoy your break from the very start.
Yeah, those moments really stick with you afterwards. You feel really recharged, a little bit lighter, like you're reconnected with yourself again. The cup is full. Shinna Rod is tachty.
Sinead, and so whether you are chasing that Atlantic fin of an air or maybe you want to take a sus in the hidden heartlands, whatever you do this summer, tug sus the chain.
So what are you waiting for? Din plan dud hir a jaar inish ag discoverireland.ie. Díomh spotted of good D, howtogael, Lumsa Doireann.
Lumsa Louise.
Agus Lumsa Síomha.
Now, we have this woman here now up the walls because Níl running order going, and I put my foot down. I said, Síomha níor níolacha, grí cool show maranga.
She's a dorchy.
Yeah.
I show maranga. I've never in my life.
And if you don't mind, if it was me that sent that message into the group, I'd be hung, drawn and quartered.
I know, but look,
what would I do? What would I do?
You'd be like, you'd have a little bark.
You'd have a little bark.
And you know, you'd be like, actually, Louise, okay, you're going to need to stand whatever.
I've created one. Show this, show not.
Yes, okay, that's what you do.
Well, that was the offer I got in then. They go him be like, is there any running order made or will I make one? And I was like, I'm the boss. I'm the boss.
Let's not share how the sausage is made.
Okay.
All right.
Well, just kind of sure touch the Gary Falmark on a star guy lat size Jarka sale new show breaking the rules
Erna Menashaw sweating.
How's that bad bitch over there? What rules have you broke since we last met you?
Ooh. I actually, do you know what? I didn't break rules like a shocker. I was doing 80 on an 80 road and the motorcyclist really crossed the tape here, then beeping me out of it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I was like,
a motorbike cyclist?
Yeah, a motorcyclist. Yeah, he was going mad at me.
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you know, nervy mission so I had an irrational fears of motorbikes, right? Because I was in a robbery.
I know, in Ifig Fuist.
In Ifig Fuist, yeah. I was in an armed robbery in Ifig Fuist.
Doireann's lore, if you missed
yes,
it.
yeah, if you missed my trauma. August, they made a quick getaway on motorbikes and I used to be terrified of motorbikes for a really long time.
I wonder, was that ever a premonition in your younger self? Pre-Vespagate?
Oh my God!
3-year-old
Oh my God!
Knew it was going to happen.
Now, when I scéalta going on Doireann a Sarah Vug my ride, scéalta going.
Oh, go on, Nearda. Love to see it.
Okay. Scéal go my Vúntóir.
Okay, Louise.
Yeah.
Actually, sorry, who's the fucking moon tour of?
Well,
can you sit in your box now?
I was exúla búla live because actually le father-in-law I've been inspired by Shiva's sunglass collection.
Okay.
So via Savala and all that ag Deir Seachtainna and there's a little boutique biog agus ceannig me and now Doireann you're going to be very proud of me in this because I am in a ban of buying designer.
Yes,
sunglasses.
she is on a ban. Yeah,
because I just
she's
like,
just been she's left.
We've lost
Prada
the Prada.
in Italy, disaster.
Miu's had their traffic accident. So anyway, ceannig me and Pierre show.
Oh, go on.
And I just want to know what you think.
Okay. I already love them. Love.
Because via Samacher and Sahara and Lemma howtogaels and they were saying it's giving paedophile. I know that's just them. Come on now. That was honest. That was one.
No, it's brawling me. I love an amber spyglass.
Yeah.
And
I just wondering will she'd more going. Joe, are they just
the data glow of any smo, but I still like them.
Do you?
Yeah.
But Canny may yield, Maria. Now, we should Shaska Kuig Euro. UV all this kind of crack. There's some Scandinavian brand. Honestly,
aren't they all
earthy? It's all like on Kaidon Anava. So I feel I thought I looked really cool so shoppa.
Yeah, no, I love.
See, they look great, right?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, stop here. Let me have a look.
Do I look like that in them? That's a different reaction now that you gave me.
Nearly.
Well, they do look good on me. I might have to rob these on Louise.
No, they should go hauling. And I say let the girl keys can be actually níos far a reach. But tá she'd go hauling this problem. Let me see.
But bhí péra gutsa cosúla sin, and I was like, do you know what? I loved Shiva's ones when I tried them.
So she could ask, but na cíneala tá go suit you níos mó.
Níos mó.
Yeah, tá she could ask, but yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But no, it's brought like.
No, I can't believe Sinead Rudger Dormele nor Vumele. She's still wearing her fucking wedding sunglasses.
I know that she'd FÓS.
Fair play.
FÓS going strong. Neil she brushed it. Neil she
you could give Louise a few lessons there now.
But anyway,
it's Molly. It's on. It's to FÓS though. She spoke her on art teacher. So you know, I'm here for the look. I'm here for the look, girl. I'm here for the look.
Do you know what?
Well, as long as we lean art teacher and not paedophile, I think we're on the right
track.
track.
On the side of art teacher.
Oh my
and don't
goodness,
mix the two. Yeah.
Move to Arlena though. Kind of, are they giving like boho vibes?
Yeah, boho-y vibes. Yeah. Go hard listen kink beag sa cruig.
Yeah.
So
okay.
Lena.
Yeah, cadé scéal bhí scéal go meall an Lena ref.
Well, sorry. So ceannig mé na spéaclaí agus an Lena, the boutique calling show in Adair. If you're ever passing through, it's so lovely. They're called Marlene and Co.
Okay.
It's a lovely woman called Anne Marie. No, I just wanted to support local, and well, actually, I went in to buy my mother-in-law a birthday card and came out with no card, but sunglasses on the top for myself.
No, there you go.
So it was great.
Perfect. So what?
But Annie has to make some all of me.
Yeah, it's cute.
It's like the cheekiest little hint of side boob and shin.
Yeah.
And Cathy should make it over.
Our mid boob. Sarah and Aaron. No.
Oh, cool.
I came forward to row risque.
No, I don't think.
No.
Radio like.
No, I suppose not. I don't know. Go on, bhí scéalta mór agus an deir seachtaine.
Oh my god, girls, I fucking tell you, there's just no. Okay, tá couple of scéal agam. An chéad scéal actually, I was saving it le rá at. Chéad gur Landon May Londain ended up on a night out with Fern Cotton and Pandora Sykes.
What?
Hilarious.
What?
Yeah, gas. Yeah.
Oh my god.
I know, really gas.
She good ass.
Yeah, really good ass. Really good hauling good ass. Oh no, Vider Bert on Anuas. Vider Bert on Anuas. Vi mar ag tá mé fnach le Carlum Char Kumar and vi she bíonn si gobar le Pandora's vi she a cur rud arsúil, so chumis mar +1, and yeah, vi sé really good ass.
Oh my god.
So there you go. I know.
Pandora,
I was like the manifesting's
Dolly,
off the charts. I know.
Could have done put Creile Fiacu?
The high low.
Oh my god, Ben Kennedy put Creile as far
yeah,
as
no, it was good. They're the OGs.
Yeah,
the OGs.
Yeah.
Stuff she's on pod.
Yeah.
Hershey's Suplesh, and I know more true, but it was just mad because I don't know. Yeah, we share it was a real pinch me moment.
I'd say so.
Yeah. But anyway, on crazy scale hagum na. We met dul o Stansted Airport godi Bailach Modern de Sahring because we met Currud a láthir in Dublin Castle, right? And we met really organised dog make a shachlug and we met moya de hina, but I was like so well behaved, chume valig an eichlug, so I was like, no, I have to be on the ball. Darg me man de Sahring had the shower, did the hair, the whole lot, Dyson air wrapped onto the Stansted Express in Tottenham Hale agus bhfuil me le Shanvan. Bhí an Shanvan there on platform and an ordan ag si dírig dul near down train ag sníach sí an mála mór trauma umper, so I says you're Caro man at leis an mála hiadú deile husní mar a kaint. Turns out she's a fucking medium, right? And she travels the world. I know. Like and it's a Reagan Greve and Beerlike. But she travels the world teaching people how to tap into, how to control their mediumship skills, and specialises in children who are like absolutely plagued by like their ability to see dead people, like bizarre. So she actually dull, she Ericly le Dulgadi, South Korea, and she'd like just come back from Greece, and she was showing me all of her stuff, showing me her website, and she writes books and stuff about it, and you can just order the books for free. She doesn't charge people. She just like wants to share her gift. Wow. Yeah, but and she was like dressed head to toe Chanel. You'd have loved her. Like she was a very glamorous looking woman.
How did she get her money for Chanel? She's not charging anyone.
Well, she's like brought over by like these medical institutions to give talks and stuff. So she was going over to South Korea to give a talk by a medical institute, like wild stuff, really wild stuff.
Medical and mediumship, that's gas. If
it's really bizarre. It was really bizarre stuff. So anyway, I was on the train with her, and if you're more kind, and she's from Brazil originally, and she like I was kind of slagging her then, being like, she was telling me about her kids, and she showed me pictures of her very handsome grandsons. I was saying, oh Jesus, if only when I go to Brazil. And anyway, vi more kind, and vi sarala like, oh my god, like, well, come and catch her, because like, you know, as we have established, Hannah and I'm fucking haunted by my Hannah Harris, my Hannah Vaugher. And it was so funny because in Lá Rimish, bhí me ag obair mo an Hackney and my church ag obair an Lá Fad, and I was like, do you know what, I haven't like sat and just like sat my thoughts in ages, you know, and bramshin gamore if it's been a week or two and I haven't like been sitting with it. And in my shanty fiddles, that's a really big time and I spend. So I was like, so chume Macadine Park in Hackney, bhíon lá gabra agus the híos and son their fag like urchla gale. Just agéisteach le rugby ceol scríamh like there was no, and I was like, oh my god, like I need to be prioritising that gachal law like cuig nómtí deag fé nómat. And the hime she said, she's like, no, we're in transit at the minute. I can't get this. Is like we're on a train, we're moving, it's really bad, you can't really tap into anything when you're in a situation like this. But she's like, but I can read your aura. And she's like, you're a very spiritual person, but she's like, you're not tapping in. She's like, you need to be prioritising that every day. She's like, why are you not? And it was just bizarre. Grahana Shen East reached. But anyway, dteagmháil, and I was kind of like, geez, I don't know what to be thinking about this woman now, because I can't fucking meet anybody with any kind of a spiritual connection without Mahana her Tachtanis and Tamar Fod. Like he's just there. And Charrig Mene Dumper Mena Molly Gadeen bag drop and Dogasy again bag drop, and I put my 2 headphones in then. I hadn't even pressed play or anything yet. As soon as I put my headphones in, automatic play. I have never listened to this or Spotify or anything, Hannah. First thing that came on, Oria the Sagati. Didn't even open Spotify. It just started automatically playing.
Wild.
Isn't that fucking bananas?
Yeah.
Wild and bananas.
Oh my
it was bizarre and wild. And the other thing was that I knew from the time I got up that morning, and I was like really like anxious to have everything. I was like, something's going to go wrong for me today. I just feel it, like I know something's going to happen. And then I got very distracted by this woman, and she kind of brought me into her world and whatever. Anyway, then I go to scan my fucking boarding pass. I say to myself, Jesus, isn't it great now? I have a full hour before the flight. Like I'm not rushing. It's great. Next thing, scan the boarding pass, not working. Go to the woman, being like, here, my boarding pass not working. I had booked a fucking flight from Dublin to Stansted, not Stansted to Dublin. I know. So 400 quid later, I know I bought a ticket for the next flight out, 400 quid later. So I'm sitting in fucking Stansted airport for so annoying.
Cana them said when I was coming from Paris. That gig.
Yeah, so annoying.
Out that morning, €400.
I know. So I'm like,
flight, never gonna
but so then I'm stressed out to fuck because I had left very little leeway time. I landed in Dublin at 3:10. I was supposed to be in Dublin Castle at 3 o'clock to host and MC a state dinner thrown by the Taoiseach for the Prime Minister of Canada. Sure. So I'm like, oh my god, I'm up the walls being like, how the fuck am I gonna? So anyway, Hadig Maher the Valig Sheme into the drop me off at the house for Memo like AD or whatever, run back in. They're all like, ring me, like, where are you? Quick run through into the fucking jacks to do them. Oh, it was just disaster. But anyway, Vishega Bra, it was, and Dara Ganavalish and he was mad. But yeah, there you go. I know. It was ridiculous.
All in a day's work.
All in a day's work. So there you go. Isn't that mad? El scéal.
And then Creek to Aniha.
In Street 66.
Mars Cart.
Yes.
Linn Broad.
Yeah. I've might just go fucking up the walls. I was like, I need a couple of camera down. So chumesh dach vi cha apras brits come and then heal my vala. Okay, Colini, co-ragras. Shiva New York, you were Vitu Anava. Yintu the Chudober Balags Hartu Lissibio co-ragras Lchelis a Goan Kamachto.
Oh my god, no. Okay. So the Anakadini Dagval Marielle Girl Misha H talks to Rashik and Bud Krayla. This is so weird. I don't know why this is in here. So don't Orla or YouTube. So good to have Shiva back. What a legend. No, I can't read this. This is too awkward.
Okay, didn't miss it. Okay. No, Shiva, too humble. Okay. Dare Orla our YouTube. So good to have Shiva back. What a legend. Whip smart and gas crack. She has the best laugh to boot. Love Doireann and Louise too, of course.
My Jimmy Carr laugh.
Nah, you're doing Carr laugh. Yeah. That's the cadence of Shiva's laugh. Do you notice this?
No.
No, that's it.
No, you're making me too self-aware of all my little like Shiva-isms.
I know.
Okay.
No, I'm obviously like doing it really
donkey.
like I can't take off how your laugh sounds. I just mean like nanoti,
Okay.
I do a rotten laugh. No, I do a really rotten laugh. I kind of like
no, it's not okay. Even a little like gasp.
Yeah, a little gasp.
Yeah. Oh, anyway, read the next one.
Okay, next one.
Next compliment.
Okay, next one. Okay, Shiva, fall to a rash. You settled quickly in. It only took you 10 minutes to mention capitalism. Mashiv Kalini XXX.
Can't turn it off.
Okay, now. Oh, sorry. Go on.
I've no laptop. This is kind of great.
No, vi coop that a dagval Marielle Aaron Ortest. Vi coop that a dagval Rager scríb their phone. Aaron Ashta Ortest Merta. Yeah, scríb the Gaelga. Vi who Ashta scríb fuin Gaelga agus an culture Gaelach a dolón Yark and Yarsh Corhakesta and vi reinting a dagval Rager Luither Shin. So le could of J vi there ain't to go will shade dolón Yark and Yarsh agus Shin and Kush Gur Luither Shinna.
Not
Gone
das.
out,
Not
yeah.
das. Okay.
Oh, and I hope you all get A's.
Yay.
Yay.
No, is it A's or the H's?
H1s now.
Oh,
Limbo.
stop, is it?
Stola me, yeah.
Yeah, H1,
They're
H2.
H's and all.
Well, A's
the-
in
the
my
A's.
machine.
I think it will A's in my
It's just true. This fucking climate of now people
A
can't
joke.
win races and they can't get A's and they're fucking leaving certs. It's ridiculous.
I
It's
know.
ridiculous.
Everyone
Carry
gets a
on.
H.
What the fuck
Everyone
is
gets a
H?
H, yeah,
Everyone
well,
gets a H of some
patient
sort.
H.
Yeah, a random letter. Yeah.
Inclusive.
Time in a shachtana. Colini. Tá mé hyperfixated faoi lá. Well, tá mé treis bheith hyperfixated le ages na bacha. How to be a friend to bees.
Let's
Loves. Okay. Amá at na bacha.
Small meat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's Brawlmead. I think
Yeah.
like I have very positive vibes at Drona Bacha. I did hoover one up on my morning hoover Imagine.
Did you?
Bhí sé marv.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're
Okay.
like shin. But do you know what? Dorothy Lynn and Ina give me up when I play Bacha and like either just her timpler and then dare shock now. Could have been
gas.
lock it.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Like either and like Vianna could milligum her and dare shock that either foot on Horadine. I just like was receiving a lot of buzzing. Yeah, like with law news.
You were
yeah,
conscious
yeah.
of it.
Yeah.
Our first Reef Calog. Oh, bach.
No, ní war actually. Oh,
No, yeah.
wasp, yeah. Oh, vac, no. Which
Yeah.
I'm kind of delighted. I think that's a
Yeah.
good sign. Law.
Yeah. Our first
I actually, do you know what? No, I didn't think about distinguishing between a wasp or a bee. So do you know what it was? It was in the toilet roll holder. Do you know, like in the middle of the,
Oh, no.
like the little cardboard
yeah.
piece. Shin, yeah, it's going to be the fun skull like an am. But I remember like putting obviously my finger into like roll up to get some toilet paper, and I was like, ah. And I came out, agus we obviously can like, you know, ag fall boss. Do they say that's when they sting?
Yeah.
Agus, yeah, for a sting, Ermaver. This was like obviously brilliant and I was the fun skull is just Queen and they
Yeah.
were like whatever. But I was like, oh shin, no, ní dóla me.
No, if we mo wamo like deathly allergic go
Yeah.
bee stings,
Oh, God.
but like obviously near thought to co-allergic shin ní really togans to an taum le hider yalu yen of ider bach new wasp.
Yeah.
So like anything black, yellow and buzzing, it was like code red satig, you know.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it'd be like pop air nuke that had like wasps written on it and it was rolled up and it was leve inside to got more of you buzz satig.
Oh my God, hilarious.
The weapon.
Yeah,
The
oh,
weapon.
yeah. No, it was high alert. We got there high alert. Yeah, it was like EpiPen territory like.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Because the shit's on hereditary mata allergy got to agent.
Oh, yeah,
yeah.
no.
Our 40 Reef Tastall.
No, before my wasp sting and I was fine.
Oh, you're
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Wait, are yours the sons of Hien of Nar 40 Reef? Oh, it's 40.
Yeah, for
Oh,
me a
sorry.
wasp. Yeah, if it makes you start
Sorry,
on
I
skull
totally
and like I
zoned
just
out.
looked down and I was like, what the hell? And Vishay like, I'm a shin. I was like, what a random place. Like I was just walking to school, bitch.
Yeah.
I mean,
how do you know the
it's-
difference? And will she níos bíonn for I don't know, can
No, but like I differ on a whole air in there.
Oh, obviously, but if you don't see them.
Oh, I know,
how
I
do you
thought.
know
it
if
was,
the
it
thing?
was stuck in my fucking sock.
Yeah.
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 Chonig my video on our YouTube of either raw my howtogael go back gur chordit mas féidir laat é hasaf ligandóibh an stinger of wintermachas.
Connic mé sin
Yeah.
agus an
back.
on
Yeah,
back ag like
yeah.
bhí sé déanamh obviously kind of untangling myself.
Yeah, untangling
I saw it. It
myself.
was wild to
yeah.
watch, wasn't it?
Mad.
Yeah.
Do you think my fá croga and
No,
scaile leis
I'd be
sin?
like, get the fuck gone.
But like that's a last ditch effort to own a back and mar fine she'd boss cos illas go lig and she'd go squealing she'd leis an galag.
Well,
Well, dúirte, yeah.
yeah, actually, just in each species of on a young boss masculine and she'd calag agus
Yeah.
an codelica maran she'd. So there you go, little fun
Yeah.
fact. Well, biodiversity girls, to my Gary Fallamach will simagave sa biodiversity. Here,
Massively.
Yeah.
Well, it's a kind of príomh cúisina a go bhfuil mé in my Yol hain tour. Do you know what I
Yeah.
mean? Like, mar just there's a massive global imbalance idir like daoine and then like anmhaithe fianna and then livestock. Like livestock take up 60% of live things on the
Yeah.
planet. Do
Wow.
you know what I mean? So obviously, and then like I think wild animals only take up 4%
Oh
of
my
like
God.
living things on the planet. So my bit to Agiri Corpormíocht níos fearra I'm sure my bit to do that is vegetarianism. You
Okay.
know? So yeah, like tá mé ord look air agus
Yeah.
ortha faoi.
okay, come on. Now, let's see.
Jesus.
Let's see. Kind of Darren Dalta shot.
Have you got
Come
your
on.
statistics?
Come
Louise?
on.
Well, no,
Come
ní
on,
leon
Louise.
statistic gum, but I mean, geez, if I could get away with rewilding a bit of the garden and not having to cut it, like by all means, drive it on.
Drive it on.
And I would just be mowing my own lawn, my own, you know, bodily hair. But in
A lot of
terms of
grooming. A lot of grooming we're
One
doing in the
lawn,
grooming
one
show.
lawn is enough.
yeah,
One
I
lawn
don't
is
have any
enough.
bees buzzing around there. But like Neil Gorge, you know, I'm free lower at time. Should like I don't know that I'm maintaining, so I can't
Yeah.
really like I've nowhere to really be biodiverse, like in
Yeah.
Sonoris on Lochlia.
Yeah, no.
Do you know
Taking
what I
it.
mean?
Yeah.
And actually, this is interesting. So, Antigua going in Adair has a kind of shared front lawn, do you
Yeah.
know, with the house next to it,
Yes.
and also with everything else in the estate. And communally, that's like you pay whatever a year and there's someone maintains that to look a certain
That's
way.
the right job.
So actually, but Níl an Rawa got. So don't rather you have to gear of really biodiverse and rewild your whole little front patch. Ní dóilm goil cead.
Oh.
Well, Níl Station Kesh Cur, like but are you going to be the one like scaldy? Not saying that it would be scaldy, but I'm
I
like,
know mata chain rod on a
like niche agus,
cemetery.
agus náidir na rilacha agus tuig riint spás mar sin,
Yeah, bar sin is true now.
Is sochgarbation
yeah.
is sochgarbation rud in the new builds over got like show rowan over got that of den of or vala so it take it really energy efficient and all these really great amenities but are in law vela. No mo may or tusa den of no mo that guardian more got to.
So I think you're getting more himpish to AM Lena either an Vostock mar bhí an answer fucking shite and then an land of just ní remember really cahav stool air and Gordine Degan denim with day but like few murmiok no may or shoot going like top patch going agan with fion dun Wiener fod.
Okay.
And I actually gonna make William Murray Google le James ará knock 18 le no mo may mar like just this fucking job more than a Darren na Misa fucking job more in a very Gordine but Gurvog and Shay quid fion dun Wiener fod and I think better go shin níos far I don't know sorry ní Misha of Aronson Fair so it's
no topless pics of Cahill Garan Fair and Sarah show so far
so far don't worry it's going on my next dump
okay perfect
but yeah I think when they talk like obviously Pisa Algal Fion Dus na Fedi Dus na Bacha mar tá siad in Wales tá siad faoi bhagart
well tá sé mar spruch sail mór gomsa tá mar réally gur é cruceog Bacha I'm like the shum slotosh leg a féidlim riamh gola gari gomalum leis an sail mas féidlim cricog Bacha a bheith gom. I know tá upset. Well tá má bach beag gom ar mar lá but tá muintir a bháthir bín si ar fád cumad Bacha singe an taan na taan daine nach mé cumad Bacha so bhí me fiúd am a bháthir ar maidin because nervy she needs obviously bhíoh sí tuairtar this na Bacha like chunas go ar cadíad na rudí gur cuioine ar cadíad na nósna so bhfuil éon notion a goibh cad a bheith fáid inmh now chun Bacha chimad nó cad an sais.
Well actually cá mé tréimhse le beekeeper ag tafod teag stastal and he had a lovely story. They're actually the family that owned Raibh Shivriav in Baltimore. There's Jacobs it's called it's just there it's on Ostan or is it Jacobs Nilas Gumrish anyway but I think that could be Anna on Pubatan but he was saying that this was so lovely. He'd no ever intention of being a beekeeper but the bees came to him and they like had a hive on the side the roof of the pub there was a beehive so Vichy down le couple blian and then it was getting níos mó agus níos mó reached and they were growing every year and kept coming back so Vier a iad a voga and then he like fell into like becoming a beekeeper and he had this really spiritual connection with having them because he was like so he sent me in to do all the bits and pieces and he was like it's going to be weird you going in I have to go in before you because bees will recognize the person that's minding them and he's like I'll just go in and just like let them know you're coming and all of this and it was so gorgeous. He was like and as for his like release and his downtime on his own he would go and talk to the bees and he's like I tell them all my it was actually it was a really nice scene that we'd shot and he was like it's actually not so much about like the biodiversity or the honey or anything. He's like I like come and talk it's like my therapy agus bhí cadrih like Anna Lloyd again
tá nós sin an riamh a bheith caiintlis na Bacha agus deir siad má Joan den éigen bás cadú dul síos agus leart in na Bacha agus rális na Bacha nó le creditor nó mátá fiú mátá rud mór atarlú cadú dul agus mátá duine pósa leartis na Bacha agus ráló agus ginneodí stanna You're trying to pissed off mar she had like kept in the loop leis an scéal ar fad which is mad.
So obviously it's like not Anvi fehed at a like hóisialta iad.
Yeah, so well better will díomhrucht a buintlo because bhí an credit sin an chamá cosúlis na hain go ráidir siidir an saoilte agus an saoil eilegus go raibh an cumas go siad an nasca le naomh gobnas.
Yes.
Another good old pal of mine. But not an seanachil sin trí rud nach féidir ancientar what was a meabhar in the man ober the bach agus something den of leis na tíide ag teachtagus go macht.
Okay.
Yeah, so like she sorry an trí mór mistéir
absolutely yeah. I think Knuckle Bacha really kind of like the job really sexy ag na Bacha.
Well, like Cleopatra was a big woman for the sin an rud she anna buintach leis an sexuality agus an drúis agus leis sin ar fad
cai go bhfuil mar like an job atá acu mar like príomh pollinators an Doireann ná like on stuff óna plándaí fearann gnucha a hogan tag na plándaí buinid gnucha, like they're facilitating the ride of the plants.
Céad fin géad.
So like how go bhfuil like meis an ceiscurt like a bhfuil mór an scéal a fuhu agus an turchas agus ruí cosúla sin.
Yeah, so buineann siad well buineann siad go mór lei sin, so even in mythology na Gréige, I'm sure like Cleopatra sé sin ar fad chama bhí der anna bhaintach leis an ban an drúis an gnéis an turthúlachas anna nasca sin agus sinna fághfuil neh gobnas cho nasca lo chama because bhí si anna hirú agus kind of níos mó bhí neh bríd anna fáinach agus you know das agus cór, whereas neh gobnas was like bhí si a bhad níos binnevé agus níos you know láidir islite, like she take no shit, and bhí si more kind of you know just well sexual I suppose because of na bacha agus an taobh sin really, so very decadent, very female, and of course she had na maná a bhíon you know a dinna populating ar an sá bacha ar fad.
So being Queen Bee and it's asan bonry and godagans gach bach is it Kirkog?
Yeah, Kirkog. Yeah, Kirkog is a hive or a swarm is a sa bacha.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then tá worker bees knock me ein job who shocks fit gober.
Yes,
that's a shit job. You know?
Yeah, but don't they do be a gobber, but their work is fun. Like, you know, they're buzzing around to all the nice flowers, millions of flowers, and they come in and then they do a little dance to be like, I got my pollen.
Yeah, in fairness, well, yeah, on fairness, she's just a little howtogael nectar. So they're probably just like bar crawl, vlog a blah, like I suppose. Yeah, not a bad job to have, is it?
Not a bad job to have, but to actually simul because
yeah, and then the woman's at home making all the babies. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, riding away.
I want to be a bee.
Yeah. But tá sé granúir because tá well obviously saoil bach tá sé sin ar fad anna bhainin because she an van you know itá mar vanrí an na Cricóige agus tá sé mar chéile sa saoil eile she an van a ha mar vanrí an na lesa. So tá sé really samúil gohfuil an dá like sin é brad better an ta an dá you know pobl gohfuil an ban Rayman.
Matriarchal
society. There you go. Okay. Couple of questions gum ruddy gur féile dinmh le mill agus le héad. Shiva, I would be very surprised if you didn't have a few beeswax wrappings now. Savala, do you wrap your sandwiches in the beeswax?
Oh, no.
The leftover veg?
Actually, no. I've been ufos, I've been a tinfoil girly Ladani. I know.
We get you a few
forgive me, Mother Bee, I have sinned. But tá cúpla cuine agam tá cara le mo wathair atá mar beekeeper he is siglún mala and a cur session cúpla cuinal sús, you know the
so
really good job.
Cute.
But no, but tá Madonna war mill and like be Madonna quinchi sugla mill Aaron Canach Stropi.
Yes.
Me so shop it in a brand new in a mill and Fiochmer and Count of Syracuse and I was like, yeah, make sure, and then we call like this is from China. From China in Tesco. So cúmar leis an le ceann a bhí dainte an éireann agus go bás éireann dó.
Because ar a bheith géisteach leis an píosa le Dave McCullough caiicí so hen bhí sé caiimialar I má hen tú tríd even the ingredients sa mill annachad den mill ginion tú forward den mill apparently the ginion tú sa supermarket tá annachad additives of stuff an agus cad tá sé really dachar actually tacht ar mill atá glán agus snaffle land a shite. So I know. There you
You're
go.
meant to get the mill from the most local shoes.
Yeah.
So your immune system will be cured by it.
Yes.
And
you need it to
apparently near core this mill a horta back a reef.
Oh, there you go.
It can give them diseases.
Oh,
yeah.
Crazy. Okay.
So not thor mill in the back. I suppose it's kind of like, I don't know, is it carnivorous kind of?
Chicken's chicken.
Oh, cannibalism.
Yeah. Don't give a chicken an egg. You're like consideration.
But you know, if actually bruntanis though, the male alling in a dairy Ladani, but ní bhíon ann like I suppose cominic sin na hilla, but that with this lovely farmer who's or a beekeeper and a farmer and they've eggs and they've loads of you'd actually love them. They've all these bits, but they dropped us in honey and she wrote me a little note and was like, for your voice on the radio you're often hoarse, you need to be having like 2 scoops of this 2 scoops Armadan and then a scoop sneha in your tea, and it was like make sure you have this one and that was 2 different types of honey. And it was like
Bruntanis
wasn't it? Yeah, very thoughtful.
Yeah.
But I was like, oh God, I must sound hoarse. But being hoarse communic.
But
and it was like because, well, actually, do you know what? I only found it again in Gadir Shachter, so I have to get on it now. Right. I'll report back.
Yeah, we'll have to put you on a big rip Gadir Shachter now and see.
See if there's anything left. Yeah,
test it out.
But
if you make an Keshchert, would you be a beeswax woman? But I think I know the answer.
Like Burt's Bees for the lips.
Oh yeah.
Okay, Burt's Bees. I meant like the wrapper things for like putting your mushrooms and stuff, the leftover mushrooms back in the fridge. No, I don't wrap anything. No, fair.
There's no mushrooms left over at that house.
I'm so
sustainable that I eat them all.
Eat them all.
No waste.
Cad méall mead chuilteh ar bhlaiste mead.
No, actually if you make kind for sure le mo highlook le daily and Neil sé blast gum read like it's it is cosúla beor it's like an céad canal beor bhíon wasn't it like
I'd say
well will she millish before me of blasa
yeah well now if he mead gum Hannah and it was kind of more like a no, I was very drunk when I had it, so I'm trying to remember. I can't actually remember what it tastes like. But Fisha Anna, it was a budale really das, and they had it infused Claire de Fruilux for the Martin. But yeah, it's like you can make it yourself. I was looking up the recipe because I was like, this is now would be a bit of me. Imagine if I had my little beehive making my mead. Yeah.
What would you make poutine before mead? I'd say.
No? Poutine is a rotten out process. Like takes ages. There's a lot of
filtering work.
Yeah. Mead is a little bit more Mead is giving Cleopatra. Poutine is giving.
Mead is giving like she'll be selling it in Notions.
Notions Nolan's. Try and stop me, girls. Try and stop me. So yeah, I mean, Sinead wrote the Magiscary Lart Meal on the back because I'm kind of hyper fixated on her Filar, and I think they're really interesting. Tá mé chun tosú le a couple of Lar Meal. Tá loads of bail is timpeler, but we've kind of touched our cuido, but tá you know a blúirí bail is on podcast sin ag an cnosach bail is yin siad san annach taidarg so sé gohuntach, but there you go. And I will eventually be successful enough to have my own cricogue back.
Do you know who you need to get onto? A famous beekeeper.
Barrow Hainacon?
No. Ceoltóir Éireannach. Famously keeps bees.
Oh, Limog.
No, but he does as well. No, come on. He's Colula Richt. The beekeeping man.
Hosier?
Yeah.
Really?
Does he? Yeah.
That's a guess.
Hosier is a big beekeeper.
He
talks about it.
He does give bee.
Yeah, doesn't he?
Yeah, he does.
Out in the forest. He'd be rewilding.
Yeah. I really miss now. When I used to live in Clare, I had chickens.
Yeah.
I had...
Actually,
sorry. This
is it. Sorry, Hánig Mayor and Ladog Shaw lad their Instagram, and can you just all togamach for phones in it and follow him? Okay. Everyone included MJ agus Percy Cuma. So August Gach Aine Togéiste Cuma. So the handle is @UBH by Poddy Paudie. By Poddy. He is trying to get as many followers as he can. I think Will Shay actually he's got his own little intro and so will I just cast him ache.
Go on.
3 million octave again.
Oh jeez, he's not
Hi guys, just me Poddy. For the people of you that you don't know me, where I'm from and how I started the business. My name is Poddy and I'm 9 years of age, and I'm going to tell you how I got into the chickens and how I got to this stage. So the mother bought me 2 chickens to start off the business. We didn't know that it was going to grow this big. So now we have 38. My dad got me 5 more after that, so we had 7 chickens. Then he got me 10. Hi guys.
Oh my god.
Now can I tell you?
But being updates at GEALAÍ, right? And just to give you a background, I know you're going to follow Poddy anyway, but his business is an honesty box. So just fogging through, it's 2. You've been giving out about the cost of living crisis.
No, you're definitely
€1
right.
for a 6 for half a dozen eggs by Poddy.
That's fucking fantastic.
And they farmed by himself. The 9-year-old.
Now, that's what I should be doing here now in the north side of Dublin. I should get 38 chickens in and be doing honest. Do you know, this is actually I had a boyfriend once who was a farmer, and he was mad. He got an incubator and grew the chickens from got fertilized eggs, and he left the incubator in beside his bed. It was really smelly. And I would be like, you'd be staying over and the incubator goes all night and then the eggs will be rotating. Honestly, the things you put up with from men that you fancy. I'd be lying in the bed and the fucking stink of these fucking eggs going, and then they started cracking, and then they'd be, little chicks, because they'd have to stay in the incubator then for a couple of days. You'd be lying in the bed there trying to get a bit of a ride in, and these chickens going 90 in the corner.
Does it sound like a microwave?
Yeah, it was kind of like that. Yeah, and it was just
every time Doireann hears a microwave now, she's like,
I know.
Kate Falker ever invested show could he not have put them in the kitchen? No, I take in the utility room out the back.
Listen, this was I'm sure I asked the question at the time. I can't remember. Yeah, he was being a chick dad.
What do you call the bed that you put on to the child?
The bassinet.
The bassinet, that. He was only one step removed from the bassinet listening chickens.
I know. And you think for that, isn't it mad the things that you put up with when you really fancy a fella?
That's adorable.
Smelly though.
It was
I
smelly.
couldn't put up with smell, but
it's
cute.
I obviously found it incredibly cute at the time. And by the way, I can't wait to. I'm going to definitely, when I have a bigger garden now, definitely get chickens in the mix as well. But they attract rats in Dublin. That's the bother.
That's in Contour knock. I'd love for chickeny come on.
I know.
And Cá will Poddy Lunathe.
What's your name? Is the one I think Kilkee, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, gone down chlor. Oh,
wow.
go down chlor.
Yeah, couldn't think of Chlor, though.
One party.
Now I'm only following him the last few days, but I have to say he brings me such joy. I like to say I got in there when he was only on 200 followers.
Oh.
This was actually the feature that Lord
An
Nearly
original
goes,
fan.
Hang on. This
Hi
is one that got
guys,
me.
can you imagine? I have 194 followers, nearly 200. Isn't that astonishing? Thank you so much for your support.
I was like,
We're going cutting tomorrow. We're going cutting the grass and sure, silage time at last. We us farmers, we wouldn't like to do silage, but sure, every farmer has to feed the cows, keep the budget going.
I was trying.
Obsessed.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. I'm sorry if my future son is not like that. I don't want him.
Well,
take him back.
Bug Sowl and Kerry Cowboy. Anyway,
There's a
Cowboy
new
Nua
man in town. There's a new man in town.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Okay, Colleen, yaps agus yachts na seachtainna.
Okay, tá Yup Agam. Okay, so me and Rod atá ann faoi láthair a cuarda, to all who celebrate Cuarda Live, and Hanna Mair scéal, right? Now, Horla sé seo if it is shocked, so it's shot a scéal seo, but just an bhí atá ann cap me gur sé co-fucking cute, right? So seo díra ganig gur hánig on referin co-onanas posa agus go raibh gay marriage dlahach in Erin, and basically fós há far Dirok, okay? But basically, if you count a quarter, if you want to, we on Verticu, we didn't want Shaska, we did a Ellis na Hochtodi, and we did a Shaska. He was the carer of the man who was in his 80s, and the man who was in his 80s wanted to repay on Farney Soiga by gifting him his house once he passed away.
Sorry.
And we on Farney Soiga like, oh, I'll have to pay inheritance tax. It's going to be 50 grand. I'm going to have to sell the house to pay the inheritance tax. So Varti there a fosa. Mark Horta
very cute.
Because they could, you know, and they paid such like homage gadi like on Pobl LDTM and they like utilised on Chowan and his posta le talked harter show and either Corda or fat truck blian and then Fosa there vi law all in Aku law and Wihaku and then form we're gonna on talk and Dara and it was
dozy.
And I was like that is adorable,
you know, adorable. Anna cute, fair play, really, really cute.
As they should,
So humans exist.
The broad more
Anava. Okay, agus an I actually in my screenshotting your show imagine Sakor, and it was in the Irish Times. Look at this, girls. Highs and lows, the article says.
Okay.
Glorious weather. This was actually review of Ishriafa Marielle on Beyond the Pale on Féile sin a bhír sílim but €9 for curry chips.
For fuck's sake.
Egg on Féile Ceol, €9. I know Gomina Glarish Gominic when the cost of living crisis. You had this about the butter last week, but I just thought, sorry.
No, that's
nearly
scandalous.
a tenner for a curry chip. In what world have chips gone from being like curry or
or like 2 or 3 quid? Do you remember you used to be able to get a single of chips for like 2 or 3 quid and then like the extras on top for an extra bottle, you know?
I was actually so cross reading this being like you're paying €250 for a ticket, le dul go beyond the pay.
Yeah,
everything else to get in there. We had this at Electric Picnic and on Blian Chicata with the White Claws being €8, €10 for a packet of 4 and then €8 pop
for one
inside. So sorry, like €9 for curry chips someone needs to
get in the bin.
Call it out because that's mad.
I know this mass and not going to Ina Erm shouldn't a few close stop. Do you know what I mean?
I always thought as well like the chips you'd pay for and get a bit of sauce for free. Should be charging for curry.
I know, thank you. For that's just instant shite that
it is. It's powder.
Sorry, I hate curry sauce like that. I think it's so gick.
The
I don't like
Gloopy.
it. People love it. I can't take it at all.
I can't get on board.
Yeah, it tastes like chemicals.
Yeah.
It's not when you're paying fucking €9 anyway.
Yeah, not great. Okay, glúise seachtainna.
Okay, so focal a hána mis tras na air le linn na seachtainna ná an focal meal. So MIFOL, okay. So we made it was made anywhere meal more tá like break on like an lot of the meal more and I was like kind of spríle meal, you know, and I guess fader on focal outside mar like the bug new flea come on meal, which is hilarious. So like the tiniest creature meal and then úsáid stéir gur whale meal more gan and then Hanna Mair froz really das meal amada was she sin clush good riff? No. Apparently it's like froz a harva kiriake meal amada, which is like a silly creature or like úsáid say just for like an idiot like meal amada.
Meal amada.
I know, just Mariana going to learn for Erna Bacha now.
Nach das. Okay. Sorry, I think on Shanachel sin a bhí gom ná 3 rud is stacker tiiscint intlucht am an obair naach agus teachtagus gomecht na tíide.
Anna, yeah.
Oh, sin
Sin then tá sábacha, which is a swarm, trichog, a hive, the drúis, like horniness, I suppose, or like sexuality or sexual, I suppose. Fi can like am a cean and son.
Cealag?
Oh, cealag, anna cealag agus yeah.
An I cealag an I on bríher nu on like mas like a vines to cealag.
Force cealag,
Okay,
force cealag.
okay.
Yeah. No hook cealag chum or yeah.
It's anatomical.
Yes.
Agus cáiseach fear gó chumá now, a little
Fear
fear
gnó.
gó.
Oh, Fargo. Yeah.
Reach your entrepreneur. See like if I mean.
Fiontree, knock
Oh,
off.
yeah, Fiontree. Agus
Fear
na
gó.
guggies. No guggies, yeah.
A cookie.
Yeah.
Fair party.
Gurmína maithagah go dtí ar Garda in fáilte Ireland thug muoinú don chláirse agus sinna bhaingad ar teachtan se.
Slán.